Today we're going to be talking with Aaron Weiner, our Vice President and Associate Legal Counsel, and today we're going to be offering some legal insights into the packaging industry. So come along for the interview. Looking forward to having you.
I'm Aaron Weiner. I'm a Vice President and the Associate General Counsel for Intertape Polymer Group. One of the things that I do for the company is monitor legal developments in sustainability in terms of legislation that's getting passed or bills that are up for debate. EPR stands for Extended Producer Responsibility. It's a general term for a lot of the legislation we're seeing where states and federal governments and other legislative bodies are making sure that the environmental impacts of the products that are produced and used every day are borne by the companies that profit from them, that are the producers. So the company that's making a product that ends up in the environment also plans for how that product is going to be recycled or reused, or we as IPG follow a cradle to cradle program for our products. So instead of cradle to grave, where we're trying to figure out how to get everything into a landfill, we're trying to figure out ways to work things back into our manufacturing process.
I really appreciate having Aaron here to guide us on the legal side of our business. We look forward to having him on future editions of The Fish Tank, so stay tuned.